Spices have a very special place in our cooking, as the blanched vegetables once treated with a variety of spices can do wonders and produce a lip-smacking dish. Wikipedia defines spice as a dried kernel, root, bark, vegetable, or fruit substance that adds flavor, aroma and taste to your recipes. You can use spices, not just for flavoring, but they also serve as coloring agents and preservatives for a food item. Spices differ from herbs, as the latter has a green leafy part attached to it. It is mostly used for garnishing or flavoring. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.